Okay, I'm going to go over and remind you how to do insurance adjustments and supplies adjustments, no matter what type of business it is. Again, the reason that you need to do adjustments is because the matching principle, you want to match the expenses within the same fiscal period that you earn the revenue. So you use some supplies, you use some insurance, you don't have as much of those assets left. So you need to record them, record it as an expense in the same fiscal period. It will reduce your net income, which will be more accurate. It'll be accurate financial statements. Okay, so this is how much at the end of the year they said, at the end of this month, they said they had for supplies, store supplies, office and store, and insurance. So this is how much they have left, keep in mind. So this is how much your account balance should say after your adjustment. Okay. So first of all, you need to look at what your balance is currently saying. Okay. So I'm going to go to the unadjusted trial balance tab, and then I'm going to write down these three amounts. So office supplies, I have 3108.08. That's what my account is saying right now. $3,108.08. Store, I have 4,483.62, and prepaid insurance, I have 11,200 left. Okay, so then my adjustment, I'm going to go back here, and my office supplies, my balance right now, which I wrote down, said 3,108.08 is what my account is saying I have right now. But in reality, I only have $548 left. So my adjustment is going to be 2,560.08. Okay, I'm going to calculate the other two here while I'm here. Store supplies, my balance in my account, which we looked up, no, this is not right, 4,000. I'm going to have to look that one up again, but write down enough numbers. Prepaid insurance, I have 11,200 written down, minus 1,600 that we have left, so we've used 9,600, which is our adjustment. I'm going to go back and look at store supplies. 4,483.62. So 4,483.62 minus our 640 is 3,843.62. Okay, so I'm going to go to my general journal, and I'm going to do, this one was already done. It was like an uncollectible accounts expense, which is an adjustment you do for calculating how much you're estimating is being uncollectible in the next fiscal for that year. Okay, so we are going to list our debits first, which in this case, office supplies. Let me see if I don't know. I gotta word it like it is. Let me look it up here. So I'm going to go to the trial balance to get what those look like here, those accounts. The related account is an expense account. So supplies expense dash office. Okay, so I'm going to word that the same. And this is that blank for the doc number here. And this is our how much we calculated. And then you're going to credit supplies for the same amount and take it out of there. Okay, the next one is store supplies. And we calculated that expense to be $3,843.62, which is how much we used. And then that would be supplies store. And then the last one was insurance. And we calculated $9,600 to be our insurance expense, and then we're going to credit prepaid insurance for the same amount. Okay, so we're going to grade this one. See how that went. Okay, so that's right. So that is journalizing those three adjustments: office, like supplies in general, depending on if you have multiple supplies accounts, and insurance.